Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about recently added meme coin, newly launched meme coin, Shibokami. I will talk about technomics, roadmap, and then I will tell you how you can buy this token on Pancakeswap. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about meme coins, cryptocurrency, trading and mining, so make sure subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. Inside this video, I am going to talk about Shibokami newly launched token, newly launched meme coin in crypto market. World's best hybrid token. 50% Shiba Inu coin, 50% Wolf Okami. So this token is launched on Binance Smart Chain and this is the contract address. If you want to buy this token on Pancakeswap, make sure copy the contract address and then you can buy it using MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So what is Shibokami? Shibokami is a Binance Smart Chain project. If you hold your token, you can earn 2% reflection. So what they are going? 4% of every transaction goes directly to the pool, 2% is reflected to the holders, and 2% is automatically burned. For now, what I think they just burn about 22% of the total supply. So a few things that make Shibokami unique are its commitments to coin scarcity and appeared charity. The cryptocurrency accomplished this through coin burning and donating coins to save endangered wolves and dogs. So the total supply is 420 quadrillion, while this is a large total number of coins. Shibokami brands itself as being hyper deflationary due to three functions designed to reduce the supply. So first of all, they are just burning their coin. On each transaction, they are burning 2% of the coin, and then liquidity pair acquisition reflection. 2% goes to holders. So if we scroll down in here, you can see future development. In future, what they are going to launch inside their token. So 10,000 exclusive NFTs collectible that will live on the Ethereum blockchain. First of all, they are going to launch its own 10,000 NFT collectibles. And then we have NFT marketplace, search engine, staking pool where you can stake the token, video game, Metaverse. It means they are going to enter into Metaverse, but the date is not confirmed whether 2022 or 2023. Marketing plans: Pucoin ads, CoinGecko ads, CoinMarketCap trending, tax tools trending plus ads, BSC scan ads, Watcher Guru articles, Yahoo Finance articles partnership. This token is not available on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap.com. So that's why you can check the price on Pucoin and Taxtrol. So and then if we scroll down, buy text. If you want to buy this token on Pancakeswap, you need to select 12% on slippage because 4% will go to marketing, 2% burn, 4% liquidity, 2% reflection. So that's why you need to select the transaction fees 12%. If you want to sell this token on Pancakeswap, then your transaction fees will be 40%. Here we can check 6% for marketing, 2% burn, 4% liquidity, 2% reflection. So buying and selling meme coins or recently added coins on Pancakeswap will take lots of fees. Here you can check 12%, 40%. So here if we check total supply is 420 quadrillion, and then the roadmap. This is the roadmap of Shibokami. There are 4 phases. Phase 1, website creation, social media marketing, white paper. White paper is not available yet. And then version 1, white paper version 1, 2,500 holders, CoinGecko listing. And then phase 2, apply for CoinMarketCap, community contest and giveaway audit 5,000 holders. Phase 3, Instagram and Twitter creator, partnership, Facebook and Google ads, influencer partnership, centralized exchanges. So they will list their token on centralized exchange like we have Bitmart, OKX, Hotbit, something like this. White paper release version 2, 10,000 holders. And then if you check a swap, in here you can swap BNB to Shibokami. In here, what I think for now this is not working because I check it. So for now connect button is not working. So in here inside this website you can swap BNB to Shibokami. So this is the official Twitter of Shibokami. Make sure to follow it and click bell icon in order to get all updates. The total followers are 14,000. And if you scroll down, you can check coin market cap, ticket number, Shibokami. This is, and then if you scroll down, our new website is live. So this is the official website that I show you. We check the Pucoin. So in here you can check, this is the 4-hour time frame, the price chart of Shibokami with BNB pair. So you can check the price from here, just go up and then falling down now. So this is at their support level. Hope we can see a new all-time high in future. This is the Memecoin, recently added meme coins. So buying this token, too much risky. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before buying this token because all meme coins are risky. But if you check the price of Shibokami, so the price is 0.12 times zeros 6956. This is the price of Shibokami, and they just launched their token on DEX tool today. Here you can see this is the only candle, and the candle is not showing, but in future, a few days ago, we can see the price of Shibokami will pump, the price of Shibokami will kill their 1020 in future. But nothing is impossible, and nothing is possible in 1 day, in 2 days. It takes time. Whether Shibnobi, Baby Dogecoin, any meme coins, it take times, but you need to just be patient. Hold your token as you are just getting reflection. Now, how you can buy Shibokami on Pancakeswap? First of all, come to its official website, copy the contract address, copy this, and then go back to Pancakeswap. In here, once you come to Pancakeswap, simply click on cake option. Now paste the contract address in order to add Shibokami on Pancakeswap. Once you paste the address, then simply click on import, and then in here I understand, and then import. Now you just added Shibokami on Pancakeswap. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet with Pancakeswap. Once you connect your MetaMask wallet, simply in here type the amount of BNB that you want to buy Shibokami. So for example, I want to buy 0.001 BNB, and then I will get about, let me tell you, 3 billion, 1 quadrillion Shibokami I will get if I buy 0.2 times zeros 1 BNB. So and then click on swap button. So like this, you can buy Shibokami token on Pancakeswap using your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. No one know about Shibokami token because this is newly launched meme coin. So if you love this video, what do you think? Will you buy this token or no? Let me tell you, buying meme coin is risky. For sure, buying this token because this token is newly launched token, and the token is not available on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, any centralized exchanges, only Pancakeswap. So that's why do your own research before buying this token. I'm not a financial advisor. Show me your community power, smash the like button to a new all-time high, and then still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.